Concatenating two one-dimensional NumPy arrays. How do I concatenate two one-dimensional arrays in NumPy? I tried numpy.concatenate, but I get an error. Type error, only length 1 arrays can be converted to Python scalars.
Use. The arrays you want to concatenate need to be passed in as a sequence, not as separate arguments. From the NumPy documentation. NumPy.concatenate A1, A2, axis equals 0. Join a sequence of arrays together. It was trying to interpret your b as the axis parameter, which is why it complained it couldn't convert it into a scalar.
There are several possibilities for concatenating 1D arrays, for example. All those options are equally fast for large arrays. For small ones, concatenate has a slight edge. The plot was created with puffplot.
The first parameter to concatenate should itself be a sequence of arrays to concatenate.
An alternative is to use the short form of concatenate, which is either r_ or c_, as shown in the example code beneath. See link for additional information. Which results in